Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is monicajgentry, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, leave a comment down below, and also give this video a thumbs up once it's over. So anyway, this is the last video that I'm dedicating to the James Charles palette. I've already done 3 looks. I said I was going to do 4, so this is the last one. If you haven't seen my other videos, I'll link them somewhere so that you can watch them. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started because it's really late. It's like almost 2 o'clock in the morning. I really want to go ahead and do this video because I know that if I didn't do it, that it might not get done, and I already mentioned that I was going to do 4 looks, so I want to go ahead and do it. Before I get started, the reason why I wanted to do looks with the palette is because I want to be able to show people that you can, like, it can be a very practical palette, that you don't have to do all those like funky looks or whatever or feel like intimidated. So that's why I chose to do like 4 like simple looks that you can still use the colors and it can be like an everyday use, like everyday looks or whatever. You don't have to feel so intimidated like you got to try to create this artwork with this palette when you can just really wear this palette like every day, like with anything. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started because it's late and my voice is cracking and it's time to get in bed, okay? I went ahead and prime my lids with some eyeshadow primer. I'm just kind of blend it out a little bit. Kind of blend it out just a little bit. But it's late. I'm tired. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this color here, which is the color Single, and I'm gonna use it as a transitional shade. I know it's not one of the transitional shades from the middle of the palette, but I'm gonna use it as a transitional shade right now. So the next shade that I'm going to go into is the color Spook, which is controversial because everybody's been like, oh, that color's been double swatched, it's black. Honestly, I think when it comes to especially like a palette like this, it's inexpensive, but you also have to look at it like this. You don't want black to be too pigmented, especially if you're like a beginner with eyeshadow, or like you're not a person that uses black eyeshadow, because too much black can cause a problem. And it might be good that it's a buildable black, because then, you know what I'm saying, you can kind of fix your mistakes. Because too pigmented and you too much black, and it's a little hard to fix those mistakes. Alright, so now I'm just gonna take some more eyeshadow base and I'm just gonna kind of carve out a section. I'm not gonna cut crease or anything, but I want to be able to I want the eyeshadow to be able to show up, so I'm just gonna Alright, so now I'm gonna take the shade, let's see, Escape, just right here, and put it on my lid. So next I'm gonna take I think this is Artistry right here. This is like a glittery purple. I'm gonna put that over the top of my lids. In that same spot I just added the added Escape. Now the first time I used this color, I used my finger to place it on my lid, and it's looking the same way even with the brush, so no different, not much difference. So I told you this is going to be very easy, very quick and easy, which it was. I only used I used 4 colors from the palette to create this very simple, easy look. So I'm just going to pop some eyelashes on quick and I'll be right back. Look at Sister Spooked. Alright, I'm finished with the look. So let me know what you think down in the comment section. Did I do okay or should I try again? But anyway, yeah, I'm finished. I'm not even gonna lie, I kind of feel like maybe I should have left the bottom lash line alone because I'm not that great with black and I don't like to, you know, be looking like a raccoon. Right now, looking in my mirror right here, I feel like I look like a little raccoon. But yeah, otherwise, like I did like the, you know, the eyelids, but I don't know about this down here. But anyway, it's whatever. This is my last look with this palette. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Also, make sure you subscribe, like, turn notification bell on, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.